Good morning, students. Today I will discuss about several security issues, types of security in network security, and what are the information security threats. First, we have to know what do mean by security. Security is the quality or state of being secure. That means free from danger. So, how to make data secure, how to make information secure. So there are several types of security. I will come one by one: physical security, personal security, and operation security. So let's start about the security. Is the quality of state being secure to be free from danger. So why we are concerned about the security measures? So let's start about, there are several types of security. Physical security. Physical security means addresses of the issues necessary to protect physical items, physical objects from unauthorized access. Next, personal security. Security, protection of individual, group of people who are authorized to access. That means some people are authorized to access the data, only they can access. Others should not access. So this is the personal security. Operation security, protection of data from particular operation. Suppose a particular app will be applied or accessed by someone, only they can access it. Others should not do it. So protection of details of a particular operation or series of activities. Next, communication security. In the area of communication technology, how we are protecting our organizations from communication media technology and content. Network security, which is our best concern, is the protection of networking components like modem, like the networking nodes from transmission media, guided media or unguided media. How to maintain security so that data can be transmitted from one node to another node in a secure mode. Information security. How to protect our information, our confidential data, including systems and hardware, and transmit properly. So these are the several types of security. Now there is a question of need of security. Industry need for information security. Why? What is the basic need or necessity to maintain, to protect our data from unauthorized malicious access? So, to protect the organization's ability, to enable the safe operation of the application implemented in the organization's IT system, to protect data organization collect user, to safeguard the technology assets at the organization. So, these are the several needs or necessity to make our data much more secure. Now let's consider about information security threats. What are the threats? What are the threats we are facing for information security? Act or human error, maybe some accident or mistake. Compromises to intellectual property, that means IPR violation, privacy, copyright infringement. Acts of espionage or trespass, unauthorized access or collection. Acts of information extortion, blackmail of information disclosure. Some people they are doing, they anyhow got the information, blackmailing that information may be disclosed. Acts of sabotage or vandalism, destruction of information, software attack like virus, worm, denial of service, which I have already mentioned, how the denial of service, distributor denial of service acts. Next, forces of nature due to natural calamity, fire, earthquake, quality of service deterioration due to wire and power services, that means not getting proper network, link failure, slow network service, technical hardware failure, equipment failure, technical software failure, there are bugs, codes, there are some loopholes in our apps, technological obsolescence, adequate and outdated technology. So these are several security information threats what we face in our day-to-day life. Okay, thank you.